So you're asking about the soil here. Should you put mulch every year? Do you need to move the mulch aside before putting more mulch on? All of this eventually breaks down. But if you have layers of mulch, it's harder for it all to break down. Also, it can form a very dense mat of mulch only. That is not great for the plants. Ideally, you'd have layers. You'd have mulch, compost. Then it could get really high. So occasionally you do want to get rid of some stuff. But I wouldn't move mulch away just to put more mulch. I don't think that's necessary. I would add compost to your soil because it could probably use it, and then more mulch, and then let all that break down. And then maybe in 2 more years, do the same thing. Layer it, 2 to 3 inches of mulch, and that's for weed suppression and water retention and to kind of regulate the soil temperature. Essentially protects the plants, and just the compost is great for everything, for the soil. You want good soil, your plants will do well.